Hello and welcome to Markets Daily, hosted by me, Jen Sanasie. On this show, we take a look at the currents shaping the crypto markets, providing insights against the broader financial landscape. So, whether you're actively trading or simply fascinated by the volatility of the crypto markets, this show is your compass to understanding what's happened, where we are, and where we're going.
Imagine a blockchain built for you. No wallets, no keys, no hassle, just innovation. Welcome to Xion, the first walletless Layer 1 blockchain purpose-built for consumer adoption. With Xion, developers can build, launch, and scale products that are ready for the masses. No technical barriers for users, thanks to groundbreaking chain abstraction. All it takes to join the crypto revolution? An email. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to possibility. Ready to take the leap? Explore Xion today at xion.burnt.com.
We all want to believe in something. In Chinese, belief also means trust. We want to trust our systems and each other so we can build a future beyond what we know. Join us at Consensus Hong Kong, where belief becomes real.
On today's episode, we're going to take a look at some 2025 predictions. Bitwise recently released their top 10 predictions for next year. We're going to cover 5 of them on today's show. If you're a regular watcher of Markets Daily, you'll know that we've had Bitwise CIO Matt Hogan and Head of Research Ryan Rasmussen on the show before. These are the authors of this report. Now, one of their biggest predictions is that we could see 3 new all-time highs next year. Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana. Matt and Ryan are saying will all hit new all-time highs. They predict that Bitcoin will reach $200,000, Ether will hit $7,000, and Solana could get to $750 next year. Now, a major narrative of 2024 was the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. According to the report, the ETFs will attract even more flows in 2025 than they did this year. The report says that year one is typically the slowest for ETFs, and as major wirehouses like Morgan Stanley and Merrill Lynch come online, the trillions of dollars these firms manage will start to flow into Bitcoin ETFs. Here's a little tidbit for you. Since Trump became president-elect, almost $10 billion have poured into the US Bitcoin ETFs. So if that trend continues, this prediction could be right. Now I have a question for you. Could 2025 be the year that Coinbase surpasses Charles Schwab as the most valuable brokerage in the world? Matt and Ryan think so. Plus, they anticipate the stock to top $700 a share. The reason is because they say Coinbase has differentiated itself as more than just a brokerage. Coinbase's deal with Circle, the issuer of USDC, sets them up to benefit from the success of stablecoins. Its Layer 2 base is now the top L2 in both transactions and total value locked, and the report says with growth comes revenue. Base generates tens of millions of dollars in revenue each quarter, and Bitwise says they don't expect it to slow down anytime soon. Lastly, Coinbase's staking and custody services have generated hundreds of millions for the company in revenue. Now, here's a narrative that really dominated 2024, the convergence of AI and crypto. Bitwise thinks that this is just going to explode next year. The asset manager said that tokens launched by AI agents will spearhead a meme coin mania, even bigger than the mania we saw in 2024. They point to a breakthrough they're excited about, Clanker, an AI agent designed to deploy tokens autonomously on Base. Clanker launched 11,000 tokens in less than a month, generating more than $10 million in fees. Now, while all of this is exciting, they note that these tokens will likely not have any real-world utility, and most will probably go to zero. So always do your own research, only invest what you're willing to use. Have fun out there, but make sure you stay safe. In recent news, we saw Anita AI, a fully autonomous AI influencer, launch her own Anita token on the Solana blockchain. So if this trend continues into 2025, I would say that Bitwise, they could be spot on. Lastly, they predict that 5 crypto unicorns will go public in 2025. Saying that 2025 is the year of the crypto IPO, they've listed the firms as Circle, Figure, Kraken, Anchorage Digital, and Chainalysis. What are your predictions for 2025? Let us know in the comment section below. And thank you again for listening to Markets Daily. Thank you for watching Markets Daily. It's such a pleasure to bring you on this journey with me to better understand the crypto markets. If you enjoy listening to this podcast, subscribe to the CoinDesk Podcast Network. There are a ton of great podcasts there. It's available on all podcast platforms. And if you prefer to watch, we are on YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave us a comment, give us feedback, give us a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.